Hi guys, welcome back to TechXR. Every year, smartphone manufacturers are pushing the boundaries with the new technological innovations. Now, Oppo has unveiled the Oppo X 2021 rollable concept smartphone that features an extending display which is the first of its kind. The Oppo X 2021 arrives with an unique extending screen. Its display expands from 6.7 inches to 7.4 inches, which is achieved through the company's rollable concept technology. This makes the display durable. And it also helps to remove the crease forming in the middle of the display, which is common on foldable smartphones. The screen is an OLED panel that extends through its 6.8 mm roll motor that is a proprietary design. The company had already filed for 122 patents for this project, out of which 12 are used on the scrollable mechanism alone. Oppo's chief 5G scientist Henry Tang stated that compared with foldable technologies, rollable displays are a lot more adaptable as they are adjustable between minimum and maximum size for different use case scenarios. The company also added a custom-made laminate for the screen for additional protection. The warp track is a 0.1 mm laminate that firmly protects the screen. So what are you thinking, guys? Is this the future of smartphone technology? Tell me in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.